Hello, Reindeer Rain here, and check it out. Number 9 of the animated animations. This is the Steamboat Willie from 1998. And what's funny is back then they had to pay for the rights of this thing, and today this cartoon is public domain. Let me get inside, get it working. All right, just like all these, there are 2 screws on each side. Now the best thing to do is to grab the corner of the opposite side of the switch, because there is a lip you have to get around, and pull that up. Then you can flip it like this, and you can get to here. And just pull that out. Some of the times they're locked in more than that. And there it is. That's what we got. Yep, this is definitely an earlier one because of how you get these things off. Come on, pop out of there. Okay, I know you gotta come out of there. These might pop out. Oh, that pops out. Okay. That makes sense. These pop out. So you can pop those out. Yep, and these are just like little connectors. Let's see. Should be able to pop him out. That's with screws. Come back to that one. This one. Yeah. And then okay, that. More screws here. She's got pops out. That. Go ahead and take these off. And these off. I think it's just this one. There's one motor. There's another motor. The other one's up here. I'll take this off. Okay. Alright, let's take you off. These are different screws, so I want to go ahead and put these back. Like that. Well, I want to see what's under here. Come on, pop off of there. we go. So yeah, this is very much an old one. Okay, so the head does move on the parrot. Got that there. So there's 3 motors, like most of them. I can see belts on these. So these have belts. Very much like the original ones. Yep, got a cracked 10-tooth gear, cracked worm drive. Got a whole bag full of brand new worm drives. Then this guy. And the other gear looks fine. Okay, got a 10-tooth here. That's going to have to be banged on. Now let's go to this one. I don't know what that is. Jeez. Hello. Alright, what do we have here? We have a belt. That seems to be alright. So that moves that one. Click. As far as that would go. The other way. There's a click. But if I keep going, it should bring a different one up here, yeah. There. And click there. Huh. Yeah, that's a 12-tooth. And those don't break as easy as the other ones do. And yeah, it's not broken. If there's anything wrong with this one, it's just this belt is loose. I'm going to leave this one. Yeah, but looks like this one's probably the same thing. That belt is better, it looks like. Yeah, that's all that does. I guess it just probably turns on and just continues to do this right there. Yeah, okay. I think we need to turn it on and see what it does. Alright, batteries are in. Let's see if it does anything. Okay, nothing yet. I'll just plug the button back in for a second. Well, I think it works. And that's all it does. Alright, it looks like it can go back together now. Leave this to be the first one to go back. There. These went on, didn't they? Near the bell. Put the bird back on. And I guess this could go back on, huh? This had, Now these were actually were more trickier than I thought. But yeah, those coming out. Does this one? It does. There. So that one goes like that. And then Mickey. Popped in there, there. That. Okay. Well, there's a break on this one. I don't know if I did it or not, but it sure is a thin little piece. Definitely need some CA glue. Back that up. Yeah. There. There it is. That should be it. Now put the switch back. Look like they glued it or something there. I don't know, it's weird. Melted it together or something. Well, Steamboat Willie was pretty easy. And you know, one of these came up at a local Goodwill auction and it went for over $125. And it was in way worse shape than this one. So, you ready to see this in action? Well, here it is. So other than the Tinkerbell and the Mel Blanc tribute, that's all of them, I think, right there. So that's number 9. Anyway, if you like this video, I'd appreciate a like. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people right here. These are the patrons. These are the people helping me out. And these are the people bringing you your fix of your Steamboat Willie. So I thank them so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron and stuff, you know, there's links and all that. Anyway, thanks for watching. One more time.